Let's get started by logging into your admin account. After you log in, just head over to the sidebar and click on Applications. That'll take you right where you need to go. Click Create Application to start creating your new Swift SAP app. Now it's time to fill in some essential details for your new application. Start by giving it a name that reflects its purpose. If you wish, you can also provide a brief description to help others understand what your app is all about, and give access to other app designers to collaborate. Once you're finished with the details, hit the Submit button. Voila! You've successfully created your application. Now that you're on the App Designer page, take a moment to explore its various features. You can create stunning dashboards and dynamic Swift forms connected with SAP, and even create custom forms tailored to your specific needs. The possibilities are endless. Congratulations! You've created your Swift SAP app. Keep exploring to learn how you can add SAP forms to your app.